Hey there, it's Bill DeWeese, pro voiceover talent and voiceover career coach. If voiceover was easy, help me finish the sentence. Everybody would be doing it. Occasionally, I'll get somebody who'll direct a message to me on social media or email me and say something to the effect of, Bill, quit making voiceover or building a voiceover business sound so easy. Well, if I ever gave the impression that voiceover was easy, I apologize. That was not my intent. It's not easy, but it's not complicated. Building a voiceover business is rather simple, but it does require a lot of work. But let's just put things in perspective. If you want to talk about difficult, voiceover is not hard compared to most businesses. And I say this as a former business consultant. I have been around a lot of businesses and a lot of business owners, and I have not come across anything as simple, or and I hate to use the term, but comparatively speaking, as easy as voiceover. As a matter of fact, yesterday I was looking at an article that talks about what it requires to start a business. As a matter of fact, I'll put a link to that in the description of the video, so you can check that out. If you start a traditional business, it's a pretty complicated process. I mean, there's a lot to think about. There's a lot to be aware of. You've got employees and you've got payroll, you've got inventory, you've got capital expenditures, advertising, startup costs. I mean, let's talk startup costs. And even if you look at a franchise where you're getting a system of success, you're talking easily hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you want to buy a McDonald's franchise, I mean, you're talking like $1 million for a franchise that'll produce around $100,000 of income for you. One location will produce, this is generally speaking, about $100,000 of income for the owner of that. So the idea of spending $300 to $500 in equipment to set up for a voiceover business that can make you multiple six figures. Now, I'm saying that can, and certainly has, not only for myself, but for many people that I know and that I've worked with. Comparatively speaking, voiceover is very simple and it's not all that complicated. It does require work, though. You know, if you're under the impression that it's like a lot of people who haven't been in business think that, well, if I build it, they will come. If I hang a shingle that says, I'm such and such and I'm business, that people will automatically line up, and it doesn't work that way. You have to understand how to create a really good product, and you have to understand how to market that product to drive traffic to you so that you can generate business. And it's no different in voiceover than it is in any other business, in that those are the two primary things that drive business. But make no mistake, voiceover does require work. It's a lot of work, but also understand it's simple. It's not complicated. It's pretty much something that can be learned, can be taught, and can be learned. Otherwise, I wouldn't be wasting my time with this YouTube video and with this YouTube channel, because I've got plenty of voiceover work to keep me busy. So if you want to learn more, if you're interested in a program that will teach you how to work hard doing the right things so that you're not spinning your wheels, you can work really hard and get nowhere, or you can work hard and you can make a lot of progress, but you've got to be doing the right things under the right direction. That's what my VoiceOver Blueprint program is about. So you can learn more by going below, and you can schedule a phone call. We call it a discovery call, so you can learn more and find out if you're a right fit. But hey, thanks for checking out the channel. And remember, voiceover it is hard work, but it's pretty simple. It's not overly complicated. Hope you like, share, subscribe. Take care. We'll talk soon.